Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we're talking about Venmo, and more specifically, we're talking about Venmo Instant Transfer and how to use it. So let's go ahead and get this started. First off, if you're not familiar with Venmo, it is a peer-to-peer money transfer system. It's really popular right now. A lot of folks will use it to split bills at like a restaurant, or pay money to someone that you owe, or request money for services, things like that. And if you don't have the app already, be sure to check the video description. I'll try to leave a link there, or you can easily download the app in the App Store or Google Play. Just go to the App Store and type in Venmo, that's Venmo, and it's this blue and white app right here. I'm gonna go ahead and open up my Venmo app now. Alright, so here we are on the Venmo home screen, and these are just various transactions that other Venmo users have sent just recently. But let's talk about instant transfer. So basically, instant transfer is when you have money in your Venmo and you want to withdraw it into your bank account instantly. So Venmo has two different options when you're withdrawing the money into your bank account. You can do a typical transfer, and that's going to take 1 to 3 business days, or you can choose the instant transfer, and that goes through almost immediately. When you use the instant transfer, it goes through immediately, but you do need to pay a fee for that. I believe it's 1% of the total amount you're transferring. If you happen to know otherwise, be sure to leave me a comment below, let the rest of us know. But let's go ahead and go through the steps on how to do that. First, what you want to do is click these 3 lines up here on the top left. That's going to open up another drop-down menu. So I'm going to do that now. Alright, I went ahead and opened up that drop-down menu, and then it's going to show your profile picture, your username, and then a lot of different various information. We're not going to worry about that. What you want to do if you want to instant transfer your money out of your Venmo is click right here on Manage Balance. I'm going to click there now. Alright, I went ahead and clicked there, and then once you click on that button, this little drop-down happens, and it says transfer money to your bank or add money. I'm going to click on Transfer to Bank. I'm going to click there now. Alright, once you click there, this pop-up happens, and as you can see, you can choose the amount you want to transfer, and you can choose a free transfer, which is 1 to 3 business days, and then lastly you can choose instant transfer. And yes, they do charge a 1% fee for an instant transfer. So let me go ahead and change this dollar amount. I'm going to click X right here. Next, I'm going to type in the amount that I'm going to transfer. Let's do 50 cents. All right, I went ahead and typed that in, and I'm going to click done. All right, next I'm going to choose instant transfer right here. All right, and as you can see, the fee right here is 25 cents. So I'm just doing this for an example, so that way you can see it goes through immediately. So verify your bank information, which is right here, and also verify the fee. So this is going to be 25 cents of the 50 cents that I'm transferring. So that's pretty expensive. Kind of keep that in mind. You're paying a lot to transfer that immediately, but it is convenient. And then next, what you want to do is click this little green button down here that says transfer, and that way they can send the money out immediately. I'm going to go ahead and transfer there now. Alright, next you get this confirmation screen. It shows that I sent 50 cents, the fee was 25 cents, it shows which bank it transferred to, and it also shows the date sent along with time sent. So let me flip over to my bank account, and that way we can check on that transaction. The time is 18:25 or 6:25 p.m. local, so let me switch over there now. Alright, I went ahead and switched over to my bank account through Chase, and that's pretty awesome. If you check right here, it says RealTime Transfer received, and this is from your Venmo to your checking account. And if you look here at the time, it took me a moment to get the phone set up. I transferred at 18:25, it's now 18:26, and this is actually about 30 seconds after. So what this basically went through immediately to my Chase bank account. So that's pretty nice, especially if you're trying to withdraw the money from your Venmo account quickly. That option is available. So there you have it. That is how to use Venmo Instant Transfer. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave me a comment below. Let the rest of us know. But hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching.